por empezar. Ok.
Vamos.
Sí, estás.
Hello, my friends. Here we are in Delight, Tango Delight, Wednesday, and we are doing a menu for tonight, social y popular. So this is a menu that we do every Wednesday, and everybody can come. It's £5 and includes a main dish and a dessert. Today we're gonna do arroz chaufa, chaufa rice. It's a Peruvian dish, very famous in Peru, and it has a history. You know, in Peru, after the slavery, a lot of Chinese went there to work with the cotton and with the sugar cane. So it was a big population of Chinese, and they were like kind of slaves. You know, it wasn't it was like slaves basically, because they didn't give it money. They have to live in a very small places and etc. So that's where this dish come from this moment, you know, from this time and basically is they were used to eat rice, of course. Chinese, they always eat rice, and they took advantage of every rice from the day before, and to try to put a lot of things that they could find. So the dish evolved, and it's kind of a chow fan, but it's with the things that are in Peru. So it's a very simple dish, but it's very tasty. And what we first do is we put a bit of garlic with oil, and we take. I'm gonna use brown rice because it's a bit more energetic. I like it better. But normally it's done with white rice. So we're gonna put 1 hand per person, and once we toast the rice a little bit, we're gonna put boiled water, a lot of boiling water, and we're gonna keep it until it's almost ready. So we're gonna have the rice already cooked, separate, and then we're gonna do a sofrito. We're gonna take cebollita de verdeo, this one here, okay, spring onions. We're gonna use the white part and the green part, and we're gonna cut it very, very small. We need quite a lot of quantity because it's an important part. Then we're gonna use ginger. It's called kion. It's a different word, and that shows the influence from China. Ginger. We're gonna put ginger. We're gonna put soy sauce. We're gonna put pepper, and then you can use any type of protein, chicken or fish, so you're gonna have chow fan, chicken chow fan, or seafood chow fan. I'm gonna do a vegetarian version because we have few vegetarians. That is this soy protein soy, and so basically you're gonna put all together. So we start with the onion, then we're gonna put the peppers, then we're gonna put the rice, and we're gonna do it in a pan, in a big pan, and we're gonna do it in a Chinese way, in a wok, and we're gonna, if you don't have a wok, can be a big pan, and you're gonna, you know, like you see in the streets where they do the things. Okay, so I show you later a few tricks, but basically that's what we're gonna have today, and we're gonna have a very, very easy, super easy apple tart with puff pastry, and we're gonna put a bit of cinnamon, and we're gonna put the apples on top, and that's it, in the oven, and there we go. As you can see, these ones are pingüinos. This is where we serve the wine or water, normally wine. So you can ask, this is 1 liter pingüino. You can say 1 liter or half a liter, and usually it's the house wine that they put that in the restaurants in Argentina. So see you soon in the next menu, and thanks for joining.